What's going on, YouTube? It's St. Louis Sucks 9119 here again, and this is going to be part 2 on the new master lock, how to open it. I uploaded a video regarding how to open it a few months ago, used a sledgehammer. That was kind of redneck. Well, if you thought that was redneck, wait till you see this. Thanks for watching. Let's start off by putting this master lock in the vise. Gonna get it on there nice and tight. I don't want to pop off that front faceplate, but I want to get it in there so that's not moving. Alright, so let's first start off by just simply cutting the shackle. Let's just get the shackle undone. So, here we go. Well, YouTube, look what we have here. If your lock was locked on something, you just got it off. Thanks to our trusty 4.5-inch angle grinder. Hey, well, now the only problem with this is it's still locked on the shackle. I'm going to let that cool off a little, and we're going to take another redneck solution, and we're going to get the shackle undone, because, yeah, we cut it, but who doesn't want to see some destruction? Alright, YouTube, now I have heard before that if you put it in a vise and tighten it as hard as you can, it will just simply the shackle just simply let you pull it out. So let's go ahead and tighten this puppy down as hard as we can. I already had it on there pretty tight, but we're just tightening. Alright, that's as hard as I can get it down. So as you can see, it's cut from where I cut it with the angle grinder, but the shackle, I have not tried it yet, but the shackle is still on here, so let's see if we can pull the shackle out. Let's see if this myth is true. Hey! Shackle's out. It was true. Now, just for fun, let's see what we can do with a few hits from a big sledgehammer. Alright, YouTube, so in part 2, this is what we are left with. We are left with a cut shackle from using an angle grinder, a remove shackle from tightening it in the vise, and a beaten up lock from hitting it with a sledgehammer. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more lock smashing videos. This has been a St. Louis Sucks 9119 production.